In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change the language interface on Chrome OS on your Chromebook device. So by default, I'm using English, but I could replace the language with a different language that is supported in the system. So what you need to do is you have to open the settings page, click launcher, and go to settings. After that, you want to scroll down and navigate to system preferences and click languages. This is where a lot of settings involving languages are available. And after that, on the device language, click change. And you can select the language that you want to apply to your Chromebook. For example, let's try Spanish or Espanol. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, Spanish, and I can click confirm and restart, but that will stop the video recording. But basically, once you press this button, the device will be restarted and it will turn on and display the new language that you just selected. So for now, just believe me that once you click this button, the language will be changed. Now, there's another thing that I want to show you, which is the website language. So when you're browsing, you might want to display the language with the language that you prefer, and you might want to have a translation to that language. You can do so by clicking add languages, and you can add the language that you want. Let's try a German language, Dutch language, and click add. So after that, you will have the option to translate the website content to this particular language. And also you can even you can enable this option, and also you can move the priority to the top. So basically it's going to be the main language for translation when you are seeing content on the internet that are not in German. So that's one thing. There is also an option for adding an input method. So basically you're going to be able to type content or type words on a specific language. So here's how you can do it. You can navigate to device and go to keyboard and inputs, and then here we can add a language. Click input settings and click add input methods. So let's try maybe Japanese. I don't know how it's going to work, but let's add one. And there you go. So basically, when you are typing something, you will see this option, and I can switch between these two languages that are supported in my device. So if I do that, then I can start typing in the Japanese, which, and honestly, I don't know how to do that, but that's just basically how you can add a different language to your Chromebook device. So anyway, I hope you found this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.